करते हो अगर जीवन से प्यार तो
क्योंकि सबकी सुरक्षा में ही है अपनी रक्षा।
हाँ, सबकी सुरक्षा में ही है अपनी रक्षा।
आपको पता है आज हम यहाँ पर क्यों आए हैं? We are here to show you a mirror। आज हम यहाँ आपको एक आईना दिखाने आए हैं।
अखबार तो आप सब पढ़ते ही होंगे। एक्सीडेंट्स, डेथ्स, bloodshed, all caused by carelessness।
Why does this happen? क्या हम इतने लापरवाह, क्या हम इतने ही गैर जिम्मेदार हैं कि हमारी वजह से किसी की मौत हो जाए और फर्क भी ना पड़े?
Are we really that different? Come on, let's see। Wow, this cake looks yummy। तेरा मन करता है इसे आप भी खा जाओ। आंटी, मैंने भी खाना था this cake।
Beta, wait for the birthday boy to come. He is working, right?
कब आएगा?
अरे भाई, after all this gone for ride in his new BMW।
BMW? Wow, my son always drives a Toyota।
But I don't know what was the need for him to buy a BMW. He is not even 18.
ओ छड्डो बाबूजी, सादा मुंडा का सोना सादा अंदर के दिखला और लग गया से।
चलाता होगा, but I am really worried.
Don't worry, Auntie, I'm sure it'll be fine।
I hope so.
Yeah, Vicky's so cool।
Where did you bought the car from?
Sir, don't you remember आपने ही तो ब्लैक में करवाई थी।
It's fine. Where is he?
अरे बाबूजी, my son is with him. Don't worry.
That's exactly what I'm worried about, huh?
Train.
Who is it right now?
Hello.
Yes. What? An accident?
Hi, Beta. I told you not to buy the car. I told you.
Even I told you Porsche is much better than a Toyota।
Tell me, what is that? Is my son alright? I mean, other kids alright?
It's not alright, but my poor BMW, it's a wreck.
It's horrible. You're still married to the car. What about the son? It's horrible, my poor baby.
My car.
My son.
Hurry up, we have to go there.
Let's go.
I'm also coming with you.
Finally, everyone is gone. Now we can eat the cake.
Yes, let's eat it। Guys, बाप की वीडियो ना देखो कितनी लग गई। मर जाने हम तो सिर्फ सड़क पार करने की कोशिश कर रहे थे और लाल बत्ती थी। इनकी गाड़ी इतनी तेजी से आई कि लगा अभी हमारे ऊपर से चले जाएंगे। देखो कितनी लग गई। मर जाते तो।
अरे बिना बात के शोर मचा रहे हो, कुछ नहीं हुआ। देखकर चलना चाहिए, सड़क तुम्हारी है। Keep quiet. You make a mistake and then you try to cover it up.
हाँ, क्या हुआ है यहाँ पे? Do you even have a license and driving a car?
Kind of।
What do you mean by kind of?
Yeah, what do you mean by kind of?
Well, I was driving with the CM son, so
CM son? Who's the CM son?
I'm the CM son.
Sir, look, he's the CM son. That changes everything. You can't do anything.
No, this changes nothing. If he's the CM son, he should be one rocket.
So the wrong side is there. You can't do it the good part. Sir, do something.
Did you see the speed limit?
Yeah, the speed limit is 65 km/h.
sir,
The speed limit. You were also driving in the wrong lane and you also crossed the red light. See how many crimes you've committed in just one night.
All these rules that you're talking about are not for us. They're for the ordinary people.
Spoiled brats.
बेशरम लोग।
Sir, आपके पापा को फोन लगा दो।
नहीं, मैंने फोन कर दिया है, आ रहे हैं।
Look, there they are।
बेटा, ठीक है ना, तुझे चोट तो नहीं लगी?
भाई मेरी गाड़ी क्या हालत हो गई है इसकी।
अरे इंस्पेक्टर साहब, tell us, what has happened?
Nothing has happened, Papa.
हाँ, कुछ भी तो नहीं हुआ।
We were just trying to have some fun. I don't know from where this woman came in front of us.
I lost control।
कोई बात नहीं बच्चे, कोई बात
अरे
नहीं।
इंस्पेक्टर साहब, बच्चे हैं, गलती हो जाती है, छोड़ दो।
After all, we are also at fault. Look at my new BMW. It's a wreck.
अरे तुम तो चुप ही रहोगे, अपनी गाड़ी की फिक्र में।
But अंकल, बड़ा तो डाल था।
हमारी क्या गलती थी? और हमारी क्या गलती थी?
अरे सब छोड़ो यार, लेने के बाद खत्म करते हैं।
Sir, मैं
Master manage for this।
Do you recognize this scene? This is what happens every day, everywhere. Be it the streets of Delhi, in Panchkula, in Chandigarh, or just about anywhere else. And by the way, whose fault it is? Is it theirs? Is it their fault? Is it your or is it mine? It's about time we thought about it.
Friends, do you know India has the second largest road networks in the world? It immensely contributes to India's economy. With better roads and faster cars, matters of road safety are of more importance than ever before. The statistics are alarming. The number of deaths and destructions caused by these road rage is scary.
You, me, her, him, we all can make a difference. We, the youth, are the agents of change.
We must generate awareness on being responsible on the road. So friends, here are a few rules we can follow that can save millions of lives.
Do not use mobile phones while driving.
Always wear a seatbelt while driving.
Wear a helmet while on a two-wheeler.
Don't drive until you get a license.
The right age to get the license is 18 years.
Keep calm and follow the traffic rules.
Do not drink and drive.
Stop the vehicle before the pedestrian line at the red lights.
Always go clockwise on a roundabout.
Always slow down while approaching a roundabout.
The maximum speed limit before the roundabout is 30.
Lane driving is safe driving. You must always overtake from the right side. Left lane is for public transport and vehicles.
Always give way to the emergency vehicles.
Practice restraint and patience while driving.
Our safety is our responsibility.
सुनो 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 सब लोग सुनो सुन लो हमारी बात कहते हैं हम सब एक बहुत पते की बात रखना हमारी बात का मान सड़क पर करो नियमों का सम्मान अगर करते हो जीवन से प्यार तो सड़क पर रहो सावधान रहो सुनो 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 सब लोग सुनो सुन लो Thank you so much. Thank you.
कवर करें प्लीज बताएं जो बता रहे थे
मैं कह रहा था कि लड़कियों को भी हेलमेट पहनना चाहिए वो जो आप चोरी करते हैं गेट नंबर 1 उनको भी हेलमेट पहनना चाहिए